Right guys, so I've got the AirTag 4-pack version, which I purchased for £99 in the UK here. There's also a individual pack which is £29, and I think in the US it's $99 and $29 respectively. Now the reason why I've got the AirTag, I know there's loads of different systems out there for tracking stuff, like for example the Tile system, which has been around for a few years. If you're really invested in the Apple ecosystem, the AirTag simply makes sense, in my opinion. I bought it because I want to track my keys, maybe put one in my wallet, maybe put one in my car, and obviously when I go on holiday, may want to use it with my luggage. So let's go ahead and unbox this to start things off. So just a quick look around the packaging first of all. Simple Apple design, very, very straightforward. So let's go ahead and just pull this tab. And then try and get this out, which I'm struggling already on. Should be a lot easier than this. There we go. So first thing you see is the warranty information. Over here, got the AirTag packaging on the outside, and once you open it up, you've got the 4 AirTags in there. Don't think there's anything else in here. No. So these little things look very much like little badges. Yeah, quite nice and shiny. Quite cool. Right, so I'm just going to pull this tab and see what happens. It makes a little chime. It's quite nice. So that basically means the battery is now active and it's ready to be kind of paired with the phone. So it's quite nice the way it's designed. And it's, well, I would have expected a bit more kind of form to this. I mean, it just feels to me a little bit kind of chunky for what it is. It could have been a bit more kind of slim profile. I'm not sure how it will fit inside my wallet. I do like the fact that it says designed by Apple in California. Quite nice, and I can see it's being scratched quite easily. Let's see if I can open it up. So just like a safety cap, you just hold down and turn anti-clockwise and it should reveal the battery. Battery is just a simple CR2032 battery. It's chiming like mad right now. It's a 3-volt battery. But yeah, it's quite straightforward to change. Pop this back in. Ooh. Goes back in, and then you just again turn it clockwise to close it, which I'm struggling right now to do. There we go. Come on. And it's closed. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and pair the AirTag to my iPad. So you need to make sure your iPhone or iPad is on iOS 14.5. As of recording this video, there's 14.51, but I still have 14.5 on my iPad. So first thing I'm going to do is open the Find My app. I'm going to click on Items, Add Items, and then I'm going to click Add AirTag. And as soon as you do that, it will start searching for an AirTag. And as soon as it finds it, it will say, would you like to connect to the AirTag? Just go ahead and say connect. And then you just simply give your AirTag a name. So in my case, I'm just going to have it as, let's just say keys for simplicity. Click on continue. And it will say register the AirTag, continue. And that's it. Your AirTag is now registered and it can be found on Find My. So guys, my final verdict on this is, yeah, I mean, if you can afford the price point, which is, you know, in terms of what it is, it's quite a high price point. £99 for these AirTags is quite a lot. I think, in my opinion, if Apple priced at $69.99, it'd be a better value for money, and maybe the individual one at $19.99 would have been better. But you can understand from their point of view, it's a highly engineered product. They thought a lot about this and how it kind of integrates with the Find My app, and in all honesty, it just works. There's no fiddly kind of additional download on an app, fiddling about making it connect, etc. It just simply works. I mean, in terms of design, they could have made it a bit more streamlined, possibly put a keyring attachment hole in there. But obviously, there'll probably be a sequel to this, the AirTag 2, in the near future. The only other criticism I have about this is if you're in the house and you've lost an item in the house, it does kind of, it can't always track exactly where the location is. It kind of gets a bit fiddly, and I found the best way to get around that is to play that sound within the Find My app. And I mean, the actual AirTag's quite loud, so I'm just going to play it on my iPad right now. Just connecting to the AirTag. Once it finds it, plays that quite a loud chime, so it's quite easy to find. Don't forget, this is also IP67, which means it's dust and water resistant. And if your keys are lost or your wallet is lost outside, hopefully you can find it quite easily. There's 3 modes. There's a lost mode, there's a pairing lock mode, and there's a kind of a text and a phone mode. So someone can actually contact you if they happen to find your keys with an AirTag attached to it, or something that you've lost, a bag or backpack, for example. So guys, anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.